Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore missing video frames in DaVinci Resolve Fusion, full guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Go to the edit page. Select the clip with missing frames in the timeline. Right-click on the clip and choose Open in Fusion. In the Fusion workspace, locate the Media In node. Add a timespeed node by pressing Shift plus space and searching for timespeed. Connect the Media In node to the timespeed node. Now, add a saver node to render out your work. Next, connect the timespeed node to the saver node. Adjust the speed settings in the timespeed node. If the frames are missing due to speed changes, use the time stretch settings to compensate. You can also utilize the optical flow feature for smoother playback. To do this, select the timespeed node and enable optical flow in the inspector. Set the motion estimation mode to better for optimal results. After making adjustments, connect a Media Op node to view your changes. Render the output by clicking on the Render button in the Tools panel. After rendering, return to the Edit page. Import the rendered clip back into your timeline. Review the output to ensure missing frames are restored. Adjust settings as needed for further refinements. Once satisfied, finalize your edit and export your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.